Aloha everyone, this is Lenora, Hawaii's Pickle Lady. Today we're making easy cornbread. And I have our guests today, Layla, who's my granddaughter.
Hi.
Her boyfriend Austin.
Hello.
And Austin's sister, Angel.
Hello.
So everybody's gonna partake in it. Very fast recipe, everything's been pre-measured. So in this bowl we have 2.5 cups of biscuit, and here we have 3/4 cups of cornmeal, 1 cup of sugar, and then we're going to put a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. So you can, Austin, put all of these things in there plus the 1/4 teaspoon.
The whole bowl?
Yeah.
Okay.
All the dry ingredients go in, so it's very fast, and we've already preheated the oven. So okay, Austin had 2.5 cups of biscuit in the bowl, and then he poured in 3/4 cups of cornmeal, and now he's gonna pour in 1 cup of sugar. And then he's gonna measure 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Okay. Now take your spatula and mix it all up. Now Layla, you're gonna put all these 3 eggs that she's beaten up a little bit, and 1 1/4 cups of milk, any kind of milk, and 1 1/4 cup of butter, which equals to 2.5 sticks of butter. Okay.
Here's the 3 eggs. He's great.
What?
Don't mix it yet.
Okay.
Want to put the milk in?
Yeah.
Oh.
And she's gonna put that in.
You can pour it in. Okay.
Okay.
So then the milk
How much milk?
was 1 1/4.
Yes.
Yeah, 1/4 cup. And then the butter.
And the butter, how
And then
much?
1 and 1/4?
1.
And 1/4 cup. So how many sticks of butter is that?
2 sticks of butter.
2.5.
2.5. Yeah.
2.5.
Okay. And that's it. Simple ingredients. You're gonna mix it up really good.
Oh,
And then Angel, you're
Got
gonna,
on you.
it got on me.
and then you're gonna pour it in this 9x12 pan. And the oven has already been preheated to 350, so we'll just stick that right in. And it bakes for about an hour. And this cornbread is a little sweet. It's unlike the southern type of cornbread, which just uses flour and cornmeal. So this is a takeoff on it. But everybody likes this one. So you're just gonna mix it to get out the lumps, basically. And this cornbread goes really fast too. People like it. You can put butter on it if you want.
Butter.
Yeah.
Is that enough or more?
Yeah, I think so. Okay, now she can pour it in.
Would you like to do the honors?
Yeah. Do you want to still
Yeah, just pour it in and then you can spread it after.
Okay.
Do you need help?
Yeah.
Here, I'll hold it for you. Okay, there.
And oh, we've also sprayed the pan so it doesn't stick with non-stick spray.
Oh, God.
Very easy. You can make it for dinner, for potlucks, for breakfast, any time of the day. Shake it and level it off, and that's it. Put it in the oven and it's ready to go. So the cornbread will bake for 45 minutes and then we'll take it out. Okay, the cornbread is done. It's been 45 minutes. You can see it's leaving the pan already. So we'll get some out. The first piece is always the hardest piece. Let's see if it's not broken.
Oh.
Oh boy. It's broken.
It's okay.
There you
Oh
go.
my goodness.
Hold the... Oh, turn the pan. There it is. It's all messed
At
up.
least we know it's
Here.
gonna be good.
True. Oh wait. I'll
All
try.
warm and soft.
Okay, hopefully the next piece will be easier. Let me see.
You can put on this one.
Oh, this is a better piece.
Like,
Smells good. Oh, thanks.
yeah, it smells really good.
It does. All buttery and stuff. All warm.
Nice.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'll take the broken piece. Or
You can have the good piece. I'll take this one.
or you can cut another one. Okay. You can see that it's been cut, and the first few pieces are very hard because you have to dig it out, but the other ones are nicer. So you can cut it in whatever size shapes you want, but this is a good piece. So if you want, you can. We have here some margarine and some butter that somebody made that has some honey in it, so you can put that on. Who needs a fork? Everybody got a fork?
Oh, that was my extra.
I think that was extra.
That's all right. That's all right.
You want butter?
Okay, everybody
butter.
try it.
Okay.
Oh, what's butter knife? Okay.
You want butter gum or no?
No, that's okay.
Ready?
Okay, let's try it and see what you think.
Mmm.
It's
soft.
good. Hot.
Nice and soft
Mm-hmm.
and moist. It goes very well with the chili or anything else that you want.
And if you like this video,
Smash the like button.
Comment.
And subscribe if you haven't already.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.